Ding ding ding. This next match is a one fall. And it is a regular match. And making his way to the ring from Cuba, or no, Island of Samoa, weighing at 325 pounds, the Beast. And making his way to the ring from India, weighing at 320 pounds, standing over 7 feet tall, weighing at, the Great Khali. Let's get this match underway. The Beast, oh, what a big right hand. And Khali with a big chop, knocking the Beast down. Oh, and there's big chop to the head. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, and there's a big boot by Khali, and knocking the Beast out of the ring. On the apron. Oh my gosh! He does a leg drop. And connects. Oh, and he throws him into the ring post. Oh, and there's another leg drop by Great Khali. Oh, there's a big throw into the turnbuckle, or steel pole. Oh, ouch! Khali just threw the Beast into the ring. Oh, and there's a big clothesline, knocking both of them down. What the? There's a drop kick by the Beast. Oh, and there's a belly-to-belly suplex. Oh, and there's a German suplex. The Beast is ready. He's ready for it. Oh, and there's a big headbutt to the sternum. Oh, and big boot to the face. Oh, and there's a power slam. Oh, he's up. Sidewalk slam. Ouch. There's a backbreaker by Khali. Khali picks the Beast up. Oh, and he's got him. He lifts him up. And oh, and there's the Khali bomb by the Great Khali. Throws him back into the ring. Bouncing off the ropes. Big clothesline by Khali. Khali picks him up. Oh, and there's a spine buster. Oh my gosh. No way. Khali lifting the beast above his head. Goes in one of the corners and throws him all the way, almost all the way across the ring. Oh, the stomach slams into the turnbuckle. Khali is ready for it. He's gonna go for it. Oh, he's got it. He's got the choke slam. Can he lift him up? He's lifting it up. And up. Oh, and a big choke slam. That's gotta do it. 1, 2, 3. Ding, 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 ding. Here's your winner, the great Khali. Wow, what a matchup. Looks like somebody wants revenge. Well, he's gonna get that revenge at our upcoming pay-per-view, Crash and Bash. He's gonna have a match against the great Khali in a no-holds-barred match. Subscribe.